Woo, that is like butter, baby.
Wow, that's awesome.
Man, look at that. So, look at that. Wow. All right. Oh, we're filming? I'm all impressed yet over here. Hold on, sorry. All right. All right, check this out, guys. Look at Hondo's amazing work. So the client wanted it in this rear reflector. The rear reflector actually lives, it's the other side obviously, but it lives in that space there. So the only thing is the parking sensor lives there too. So, and the parking sensor has a small whip. So the sensor has to be slightly over, which is what Hondo's doing right now. But what he did is he made a jig and then he machined the reflector with the reflector and the plastic all in one. And I mean, look at the gap on that. I don't know if you can see that, but it is as tight as it can get basically, right? So now he's got to trim the bumper. He's got to machine the bumper so that this will actually go in and this entire assembly will snap in. But now that will all be one solid, beautiful flush piece. So we got the piece all lasered out. So this is all the pieces. You can see it's a puzzle with no instructions. So I lasered it, I glued it together, and right now it's just popped in place. We still have to like mount it and everything else, but check it out. The ALP, the Escort, it's all in one piece and it lives, and you can just shut it. And basically you would not know that that's there. Show you what this piece looks like out of there. So just, if you can see all the layers and all the steps and everything that has to be taken into account for in order to make sure this is doable. So what we did is, if you see this cover is both shiny, matte. So what we did is we did the same, shiny, matte, and then the controls are obviously matte. So it just kind of, again, we're always trying to tie it into the vehicle. We always want it to look like it could have been an option or it hasn't been added. So Hondo mounted the sensors. So as you can see, they're machined around the reflector. The nice thing about that, if the client ever gets rid of the car, all we do is order this reflector, pop it back on, you'd never know we were there. You won't see any of the machine work, right? So there's RX, TX, TX, RX. And the client values performance over aesthetics. So that's why they're proud of the bumper, because by them being further forward, you get better reception and transmission jamming, basically. So it helps a lot to have them pushed forward. Show you the front as well. All right, and on the front, same thing. So Hondo mounted the sensors here, which we have our shims on there to make sure that they're level at 0 degrees. And this is the RX, and then your TXs are up here, also with a shim. So there's a shim on that. So everything is level so that we get the best possible performance out of the system. So a lot of times we get asked, why is it so much? Or, why is it so involved, so many labor hours? Well, this is why. You have to take apart quite a bit of the car. We had to remove the taillights, the whole inner trunk, and the rear bumper has to come off in order to run the cabling properly, and also to machine the openings and to mount all the sensors.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.